how to make money on people per hour as a resume rewriter. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners that visit this platform daily, looking for someone to do a skill for them or to get a job done or a project. So for example, if I was a business owner looking for a resume rewriter, I would just go to the search button in here and type the skill I'm searching for, then click on the search to see all of the freelancers that are doing this skill. So here it seems like, let's go with this. So here you'll be able to see all of the freelancers or all the profiles of the profile of all of the freelancers that are doing the skill we're searching for. So here we have write you an interview winning CV in 3 days. See my reviews for $105 per hour. This one, write or rewrite your CV resume in 48 hours. ATS optimized for $95. Rewrite your CV within 3 days, $80. So as you can see, the price varies from one another, and those people are showcasing their skills via their profiles. So I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile as well to be listed with those people. So let's go back to the main page and click on the freelancer button in your top right, and then make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to drop my email and my password, and then login. You're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here the first step is to drop your profile picture. Then you proceed to enter in your job title, and you have here an example, award-winning web developer, or you can go with your actual job, which is resume rewriter. Then you proceed to enter in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills you can enter is 15. So make sure to use all of these spots wisely. So let's start with resume. We have resume CV writing. I think that's all that we have in this skill. So that's all what we have. Let's go with writer, website content writer. That's not what we do. CV. So that's it for the skills, resume, CV writing. Then you proceed to the about you section. So in this section, you're going to describe yourself to buyers. And guys, in order to make a great description for your profile, the method I like to use is checking first the other freelancers' profiles or descriptions, seeing how are they talking about their skills, how are they talking about themselves, what are they saying about themselves, and how are they trying to convince the business owners or the visitors to buy the skill from them instead of the others. So let's go to the search, click on search freelancers, and here we're going to drop the skill we're searching for, resume rewriter. Click on search, and we will be able to see all the freelancers by clicking on all offers. Let's remove So this is all of the freelancers that we have doing this skill. Let's check some of the profiles. Let's check this one's profile first. He's got approximately 1,000 sales. Let's check, and he's also from the top 0.5% of people per hour. Let's check his description, read more. So this is a decent description just from looking at it. It's well organized, not too short and not too long. It's just the right size. More than 2,000 successful CV, LinkedIn, and covering letter writing jobs completed on People Per Hour. Check out my 5-star reviews. Your CV is optimized for applicant tracking systems, so will be found on recruiter searches. Your CV is written from scratch. As a CV writer, resume writer, covering letter writer, and LinkedIn profile writer, I have written CVs for hundreds of people from all walks of life and within many different market sectors. My CV writing services help people to win their dream jobs. I work hard to communicate individuality to the reader and will work with you to evoke the desired response in the reader. In a nutshell, my job is to compel the reader to take action. This is done by conveying what you are about and shouting this from the rooftops. When promoting yourself, this is not a time for shyness, but a time for confidence coupled with sincerity, which in my view is a winning combination. I'm available to work with you 7 days a week. So this is a very decent description from looking at it and from reading it as well. This explains why he's got many sales. So let's check someone else's description to get as many inspiration as we can and to get more ideas about these descriptions. Let's check this one. She's got as well more than 1,000 sales and she's a top cert. Let's check her description. Another great description. It's not very short and it's not very long as well, and it's full of, or it's convincing to the business owners. So guys, that's enough for inspiration. When you're done getting inspiration, you go to the button in your top right, click on profile, click on edit, and here you'll be able to change everything about your profile, the description or the about you section, your portfolio as well, and your phone number and your hourly rate also. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.